Hello. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we learn which VPN safe dark web for us. We know dark web famous for illegal works. Those of us who don't know what is dark web and how to be access dark web safely, this video is basically for them. So at first have safe our security. This is why we use VPN. VPN basically helps to strengthen our security. For this we need to know which VPN are the best and which VPN give us better security. So let's know which VPN world best VPN for dark web. So this video is made for educational purpose, so no one will use this work for bad educational purpose. We can see in the picture how VPN work. Now we open the Tor browser. And search the world best VPN for dark web. Now we are see the best VPN. Take a look below to find out more about the best VPNs for the darknet. The number 1 is VPN Nordvpn. That encrypted data is sent to the VPN provider's servers, where it's decrypted and then sent onto, say, Google or Netflix. Nordvpn, which is the service we're talking about today, has more than 5,200 servers across the world. Second position are the Expressvpn, which is the service we're talking about in this guide, has more than 3,000 servers and 160 locations. The third position are Shark Vpn. It helps us recommend staying clear from the outdated PPTP protocol. It has serious vulnerabilities. An encrypted connection is scrambled nonsense to everyone else but your device and our server. The fourth position are the private VPN. Some users may be missing iCav2 on Android, but with OpenVPN available on all apps, security and speed shouldn't be of concern. And while you can still use the less safe L2TP/PSK in case OpenVPN doesn't work. The fifth position are ipvanish VPN. A VPN service works by establishing a secure encrypted connection between your device and our VPN servers and then sending data through it to the internet. An encrypted connection is scrambled nonsense to everyone else but your device and our server. The sixth position are the Cyberghost Vpn. To understand why you need a VPN, you first need to understand the mechanics behind the software. A VPN, or virtual. The seventh position are strong VPN. Keeping your devices secure is a simple task. Get started with strong VPN to take back your online privacy with the suite. The eighth position are windscribe VPN. The provider hails from Canada. Canada is not the best jurisdiction for a VPN as it's part of the Five Eyes Alliance. The VPN is within reach of powerful spy agencies of the UK and the ninth position are private internet access VPN. The provider hails from Canada. Canada is not the best jurisdiction for a VPN as it's part of the Five Eyes Alliance. The VPN is within reach of powerful spy agencies of the UK and the US. The 10th position are the all VPN. because this all VPN are same. But if you are the browsing dark, you avoid all free version VPN. You should only use paid version VPN. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any